Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to enable Instagram offline mode on your iPhone or Android. Please subscribe to the channel. Write your comments, give me likes, and let's get started. To do this, we go to the Instagram app. Then we go to our page. Here at the top, we click on the three bars to go to the menu. And then we select the first option, Settings and Privacy. Then the easiest method. It's in the search box. Type and act. Great. Now we see that we have a line show activity status. We click on it. As you can see, I have online mode enabled, so all Instagram users can see if I'm online or not. If we turn it off, then Instagram users will not be able to see if I am online or not. So I will be offline even when I am in Instagram. But keep in mind that just like other Instagram users can't see your Instagram activity, neither can you see whether they are online or offline. When you turn this feature off, that's how easy it is to turn offline on Instagram, whether it's on your iPhone or on Android. Hope this video was helpful for you. Give it a like, write comments, subscribe to the channel. See you later.